Just hitting the second coat on the floor. I'll fill that in. I'll tomorrow when I can walk on it, I'll run around that pipe with silicone and be laughing. So you're always watching for little pinholes. They have been a bubble before and they pop to a pinhole. Yeah, so tomorrow I lay the floor and it's all go. The next day I do the walls. So tomorrow is the floor, next day is the walls, and then it's Grandy's day. So I won't be here. We're taking the grandkids out for the day. It's their school holidays, so we'll probably go out for lunch and do a movie, which is pretty cool. We're lucky enough to have two. One is 13 going on 18 and the other one is 12 going on 12. Not as bad as his sister, but it's all good. So we'll see you soon. I'll come up with I'll have another joke for you. I'll try and do a joke a day, but I don't know if I'll be able to come up with that many. Right, we'll see you soon. See ya, bye.